It was 14 years ago that Jim Keith was hired as the public safety officer and then police chief for Washington City in southern Utah. When he first got here, he began working in what was known as the Cottage. The police and fire department were working together as one.
There was just so many challenges with the differences in the professions, but it's something that I'll remember forever that I had an opportunity to be part of.
His successor also worked during that time.
So I started back in 2007 as a patrol officer for the police department, and yes, we were over in the patrol cottage there off 95 North Main, and we've been able to grow and develop as time has gone.
About 10 years later, Keith was involved with building a new police department from the ground up. The mayor said he was instrumental in creating a reputable department.
He helped us get a new building in. He was very instrumental in getting that and working through the budget and the bonding and the layout and design of that police department, and it's a very state-of-the-art, and we appreciate that.
I spent significant time designing that building with our architects and my administrative assistant. And then we had our sergeants and our lieutenant involved in all of that. After we came up with the concepts, I would bounce that off of them and make sure that I wasn't missing something. We started with about 11,500 people in our city. We're now 30,000. So we've had substantial growth, and so I've been a part of a city that's just seen phenomenal growth and development, and I'm just fortunate and blessed to have been given this opportunity. And that's absolutely, sincerely how I feel.